Hi, Klein ISD students. Today we are going to connect Google Drive to Schoology. So when you're logged into Schoology, you're going to come up to the top and click on Resources. When you click on Resources, over here on the left-hand side, you'll see several different icons. We're going to click on Apps. Once you click on Apps, you'll see that you have several different resource apps. Today we're going to click on Google Drive Resource App. Once you click on that, you will get this authorization box. We are going to click Approve. You're going to want to make sure that it is your Klein ISD Google, not a personal Google email. Once you have done this, all of the documents that you have in your Google Drive are now linked to your Schoology.